Today, customers are demanding modern web portals that provide a robust and rich end-user experience. The Portal Connector gives you the tools you need to fulfill that customer demand faster and easier than any other option in the market. Dynamics CRM and 365 is optimized to manage business data, but it was not designed to manage the unstructured data needs of a web portal. Enter the Portal Connector, which delivers an enterprise-class web content management system with seamless real-time connections to Dynamics CRM and Dynamics 365. It just makes sense to use the right tool for the right job. The Portal Connector is easier to use and has more features and capabilities than Microsoft Portals or any other solution on the market. Attend a webinar or request a demo to learn why the Portal Connector is the winning choice in Dynamics CRM and 365 web portal solutions.
Welcome to the Portal Connector for Dynamics CRM and 365. Over the next 4 minutes, we will demo the Portal Connector and show you how you can quickly build dynamic and interactive Dynamics CRM and 365 web portals. Leveraging Sitefinity, an enterprise content management system from Progress, the Portal Connector links your Dynamics CRM and 365 system to a portal website. You can quickly and easily drag and drop forms, data grids, dashboards, you name it. If it's in your CRM system, you can add it to your portal. Let's start from the beginning and a simple scenario. You have a website and want potential leads to be able to request information, and that information is to populate a lead record in Dynamics CRM or 365. So, you log into the administration area of Sitefinity and the Portal Connector, where you have the ability to manage all aspects of your portal website. From pages to content elements like news and images, documents, whether they're in SharePoint or not, and forums. We also have a complete end-to-end e-commerce solution that allows you to sell products that exist in CRM or 365 and go through a complete shopping cart experience with pre-built payment gateways for the most popular solutions, and you can build your own connections if needed. And in the end, a successful payment produces an invoice or an order in CRM or 365. So, back to our scenario with the Contact Us form. First, we need to make sure we have access to the lead entity. We have the ability to connect to all entities in CRM or 365, including custom ones. So yes, we're connected to leads, so let's go build the form. With the rich and powerful Form Designer, we build a Contact Us form by simply dragging and dropping all the pre-designed widgets that relate to the lead entity in Dynamics CRM or 365. I want to add the preferred method of contact pick list to the form. So I drag on a pick list widget and I point the field to the right source in Dynamics 365. Notice how we can add things like text fields and date time fields, lookups, file uploads, images. We have a signature pad, connect to SharePoint documents, subgrids, barcodes, QR codes. We have a very powerful rules manager that allows you to create if-then statements showing and hiding fields based on user input, and integration with payment systems. When we're finished, we click Publish. Now that the form is complete, you can simply edit the page on your website and drag and drop the form on your page. The form will automatically resize to fit your page and even adjust for mobile phones and tablets. Everything is fully supportive of responsive design. There you are. Now the page is live, and we can go fill in the form, and that request will immediately go in real time into Dynamics CRM or 365. Now, let's go a step further. You want a secure private portal for customers to log cases or view and search knowledge base articles. We can set permissions restricting who can view certain pages on our website. Then, in Dynamics CRM or 365, it is a click of the mouse to manage a customer's access to your portal and what permission roles they are assigned. Even managing and resetting their passwords is made easy. Now, your customer can securely log into your portal, even with third-party credentials like Facebook or LinkedIn, and access support cases. search a knowledge base, create a new case, update their profile, or view an interactive dashboard. All done through the configuration tools provided with the Portal Connector. There you have it, a 4-minute overview of the Portal Connector and how you can drag and drop your way to a dynamic CRM or 365 powered portal in minutes. Visit our website at crmportalconnector.com to learn more.